In this video, I'll be showing you how to upload and share files on Google Drive. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to do is open up your Google Drive application. And then from here, let's say I want to upload something. On the bottom right, I'm going to see the plus icon. And then I'm going to see upload file as one of the options. So I can go to photos and videos, go ahead and put in whatever you want. So let's just say I wanted to go ahead and put in this. All I'm going to do is press upload, and then I'm going to press upload again. Now, obviously, the bigger the file, the longer it's going to take to upload, but since that was just an image, it's going to be very quick. Now, as you can see, it's now uploaded. All I want to do is go ahead and open it. It's going to show me exactly what it is. But now, if I want to go ahead and share it and give someone access to the Google Drive or anything like that, all I want to do is press these three little dots, and I'm going to click share, which is on the very top. Now, at this point, I can press the three little dots again. I can press manage access, and I can change it from restricted to anyone with a link can open it. And then on the top right, all I got to do is press that copy, like that link icon, and then I'll be able to share it to whoever I want. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Whoever has it then is then going to have access, and I can choose whether they have it as a viewer, a commenter, or an editor.